Next, let's implement the findByTitle method that returns a book object based on the given title, or returns no if the book could not be found with the given title. Uh, the findByTitle method is not defined by the generic DAO class, so we need to create that method here. Public book findByTitle string title return no by default, and we have to create a name query in the domain model class book to find a book by title. So I copy this. We have a second name query here, find by title. Query is select b from book b where b dot title equal colon parameter name is title. You see. Now in the BookDAO class, we call it